Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today we have AllTrue. Yep, got me a fall box. I wasn't expecting to have this. I did cancel my yearly subscription and they had sent me a message, I guess, to get $15 or $20 off my renewed subscription if I would come back. So what I decided to do was get a quarterly, which is $69.95, and I think I ended up getting it for around $55, somewhere around there, plus tax. And I've got it coming quarterly, so I can easily cancel at any time. And so that is what I decided to do. The annual subscription is $64.95 a quarter, which is billed, I guess, all at once at $259.80 a year, and breaks down to $64.95. And you do get to customize if you do an annual. This is a seasonal box and you do not get to customize anything, so everything in this box is going to be a complete surprise. You do receive $250 worth of value, or up to, and you get 6 to 8 full-size items, and you get exclusive, access to the market and all that good stuff. And with the annual, you save $20 a year and you get to customize every product, which does have a benefit. So I just went for the quarterly, and this is mystery box to me because I have no clue what's in it. I didn't even get to see what their options were because I wasn't an annual subscriber. So when you do that, you give up a lot. You're just trusting them to send you products that you like and you may or may not like. And I'm hoping I don't have repeats because sometimes their customizations, since they started back, have some repeats from like the previous owners. So I don't want repeats of anything that I've already gotten. So I'm hoping that's not the case, and we're going to find out because we're fixing to open this box up. Now I will say AllTrue always has good packaging, and I can hear something kind of heavy in there and it's moving around. And they do have nice boxes, so they have kept their packaging nice. And on the inside, they kind of have the same AllTrue on there, and they do have a product card. And you don't really get a sneaky peek because they have their magazine on top. And this will also be our product card, and it's welcome to fall. And I'm not sure if they have a particular theme, just only that it's fall. They talk a little bit about what's inside. That's in your first few pages. And then I'm not sure if they go into customizations. Yes, they do. So in customization 1, I could get a vegan leather bow tie bucket bag for $80, and that's a Kayla and Ava. I could get a Age Reverse Facial Duo Cosmetics, and that's $162 value according to them. You gotta take all this into consideration, okay? And then we could get a Baker's Utensil Collection, Columns and Zeal for $60 value. So why would they have such varied values, right? That's a big question. Then you could get a complete Unity Yoga Relax Fast Little Acupuncture Mat for $67. You could get a set of 4 dessert plates, French Toast Studio, $75 value, and compression packing cubes, 3-pack, my tag along for $50 value. And let me look in here and see if I can see what I got. I'm not sure this would be something I'd pick out, not when they had such other nice items, but I received the AllTrue dessert plates, set of 4, and I bet you they are pretty. Let's take a look at them. They're small, and this is what they look like. I don't know if they all look that way. I would have never picked this out. Yeah, they all look like this one. So like I said, you do take a chance when you let them do the customization for you, and sometimes it's worth those extra few dollars up front. You save more in the end and you get more options. But anyways, that is the plate, and there's 4 of them, and like I said, they're very small. Think of a teacup plate. When you have a teacup and saucer and you put your cup in the center, it's not much bigger than that. So these are very small plates, but let's see what they have to say. The calories don't count if the presentation is gorgeous, and this set of dessert plates illustrated by the female design duo at French Toast Studio more than fits the bill. And it is a pretty plate, I'll give them that. And it's, I don't know, it's probably made of like a type of china, ceramic or something. So it is a nice plate. It doesn't really have much more information than that. And I'm going to put this back in here because this will definitely be a gift. This would make a nice wedding gift for somebody, or a housewarming gift. Someone's just starting out. And it pretty much just says the same thing. It does say French Toast Studio focus mainly on print design. Their mission is to decorate life around them with their colorful art prints and patterns, making daily life a little more positive and pretty is what they always try to achieve. And like I said, it was a pretty dessert plate. So that was my customization number 1. And if I would have picked out of those 7 items, I would have probably chose the cosmetics because I have used the cosmetics products before and they are very good. And that probably would have been my choice had I got to choose out of that, which was the most expensive, but that's not really why I would have chose it. I would have chose it because I've used the product before and I know it's a good product. So on to number 2. Choice number 2, we could get a colander bowl, and this was Boone Supply for $16. We could get a jute welcome mat, a company, it says is the name brand, $38 value. A Catherine Tech organizing roll, class leather and company, which, I'm glad I didn't get that. I've had that before. It's kind of a cheesy little piece, really. And let's see here. You could have got a Paris double zip wristlet clutch, and it's by Pixie Mood, $42 value, and a set of 3 nesting bowls, pepper and vetiver, and that was a $36 value. And it looks like I got a wristlet clutch, and it's a Paris double zip wristlet clutch, Pixie Mood, and that would be this right here. And let's take a look at this and see if it's something that we would want to use. They've got it wrapped up really nice, I will say that. And it is pretty. It looks like it's made out of like a pleather. And of course it's got the little wristlet here, so it is a good quality wristlet. And it's got a double zip on here, as it was talking about. So you got 2 sides. And the hardware is nice. This is actually really nice. On the inside it's just lined with like a nylon lining. And looks like there's a little coupon in here for you to buy more Pixie Mood. If that's a brand you like, you're welcome to use that code there. And you can get $20 off with AllTrue 20 VIP. But it is a nice little wristlet. I will have to say that. It doesn't feel too cheesy or anything. Let me see what it has to say about it. This is a versatile pouch that can be used on its own as a clutch or tucked inside a bigger bag. You can remove the wrist wrap for extra organization. It's made with recycled vegan leather and lining crafted from recycled plastic bottles. Ooh, and I said it was vinyl, but they do pick companies that do things for the economic part of it. And that's really cool that they've repurposed some plastic bottles. And like I said, it felt like vinyl, but it'd be water resistant. So yeah, that's not too bad. It's really cute, and it is nice soft vegan leather. I like that. And the color is a neutral color that'll go with lots of things. So that was my second item. It looks like there were 2 other things we could have gotten. We could have gotten a woven keepsake canister. We could have gotten a brush absorbed tea set. One was $30 value and the other was $38. So not too bad so far for my $55. In the next customization, you could get reusable gift wrap 3-pack. To the market was the brand, $46 value. A set of 2 silicone food bags, and that's a $35 value. A lightweight floral scarf and made by Onam, $50 value. You could get a Greek yogurt nourishing probiotic gel cream for $39 value. You could get a Kadu evening beauty elixir RMS Beauty for $39. You could get a garlic perfection kitchen innovations and $16 value. You could get a dainty bracelet duo, and that was rhodium or gold Etica. So I guess those were the 2 brands that you could have got, $40 value. And I got a garlic, whatever it was garlic. It's in this. It's called Garlic Perfection. It's a $16 value. So this is one of my least expensive values. Let's see what this is all about. It's for garlic, apparently. And it says Garlic Perfection. It's for the kitchen. And let's see what this does. Oh, okay, you put your garlic on top of there, and you see this, and you'd mash it down. This is something I'd probably actually use. I don't know how you're supposed to get your garlic out of there, though, once you do that. I don't know. Now, that's an enigma. But it seems like to me you would press that down, and your garlic would go down into this section. I'll have to piddle around with that because I don't really know what you do with it, but let's see what it has to say about it. It says, slice, dice, and crush garlic, clover. Then mix up flavorful creations, season your butter, add to salads and dressings, or saute garlic morsels with fresh veggies from your local farmer's market. But like I said, I'm not quite sure how you use this thing, other than I can see that you can crush it. It also said you could slice it. It's very odd. I'm not sure how to use it. I'll have to look that up probably on the internet, but that's what I got, $16 value. And in customization number 4, you could get a lidded wine tumbler valued at $12.99, a laundry and linen spray set, and that was $16 value, a set of peony foot masks, and that was by Soon Skincare, and I would have loved getting that. That's a $45 value, but I didn't get that, I can tell you that. Ultrafine Balancing Sorbet Facial Cryo Exfoliator, $126 value, Anti-Pollution Pore Refiner Eye Primer in cream, and that was $106 value, and that was by Symbosa Skincare. And then you could get a deluxe hair travel kit by Maria Nilo, $33 value. You could get a heart pot holder, and this was a $28 value, and this was made with love, and that's what I actually got. And then I could have gotten a Golden State Nourishing Facial Oil. So I got this. So basically, this here is made by a project. I mean, like, there's probably a story behind this, but this is a pot holder, and it's got a $28 value. Made with love, can now apply to your baked goods and your baking gear. Matravumi partners with women groups, minority people with special needs to provide sustainable employment to artisans in India to make items like this handcrafted pot holder. So I knew there would be a story behind it because, you know, they used to be called Cosbox, and they always had products with a Cos. So that's the brand, and that's the information on there, and it is pretty. It's cute. So let's go on to number 5. At number 5, we could get bunches of scrunches for $16 value, set of 2 silicone ice molds for $13.78, 4-in-1 makeup brush by AllTrue. We could get Power Couple Nail Duo, $30 value, and the AllTrue was a $28 value. Upgraded Lashes Treatment Mascara, Wonder Beauty, $26 value. Or we could get Saved by the Scrub for underarms, Mud Masky, $15 value, and I got the Wonder Mascara. And I don't know that I've ever had a Wonder Mascara. It's in jet black, which I think most mascaras probably come in black. It's in an interesting tube. It says Upgraded Lashes by Wonder Beauty. It says Treatment Mascara. Okay, so maybe it's some kind of long-lasting, make your eyelashes grow. Let's see if it says anything here. It says, made with lash-loving ingredients, this nourishing mascara will give you fuller, longer-looking lashes, no falsies required, and like all Wonder Beauty products, the Miracle Mascara is cruelty-free, as well as parabens, fossilades, synthetic fragrances, and mineral oil. So that's good to know. I'm going to open it up. I'm curious about it because it's got the treatment set on there, so it could probably help with your lashes. And that's what the wine looks like, and I'm going to try it on. Maybe I'll just make my eyelashes a little longer with this. We'll see. Did it? I think it did. Let's see what it does to the other side. Yeah, I think it helped pull them up a little more. Okay, yeah, I like that. I might carry this tube in my purse. It's a little bit more, I don't know, just different. Wouldn't look like mascara, would it? So that's a good thing. Now, in number 6, We could have got greeting cards, Paper Source for $12 value, OMG leave-in conditioner, brand with a heart for $18 value, strawberry poppy seed cleansing bar, Dr. Botanicals for $12.28 value, wet dry brush by Kish, $16 value, charcoal cognac sponge for a $16 value by Wild, Manta towel hair wrap by Bimeka for a $26 value, or we could have got a cream highlighter Lorizzi Cosmetics for a $20 value. And I got ding 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 number one. I got these nice little greeting cards. It says, warning, this set of greeting cards could put you at serious risk of sharing good vibes. Fire off handwritten notes to old friends, distant aunts, uncles, and your third grade piano teacher, and you're likely to be accused of being incredibly thoughtful. And this says on the back that it's a Indian fine paper note set, 6 cards. Our artisanal fine paper is handmade in India using recycled cotton textiles, and I will have to say that they feel nice, so I guess that's a cotton textile. No chemicals used in the paper making process, and the paper is dried using solar energy. The note cards made from this paper are eco-friendly, tree-friendly, handcrafted, and acid-free, and 100% recyclable. Our envelopes are made in the USA, and they are 30% post-consumer waste recycled content. They are free of processed chlorine. The cards and envelopes are packed in Chicago. And like I said, the card itself is very nice. When it said it was made out of some kind of cotton, it really is. And it's even like that on the inside. I don't know if you can tell by the texture, but this would be really cool if you had like one of them quill pens to write with. I think that would look really neat on there. So those are really nice. It probably wouldn't have been something I would have picked out, but now that I have it, I'll use them because they're very nice. And every once in a while I do write a handwritten note, even though my handwriting's not that great. But that's what I got. So that's my AllTrue. As a recap, we got the note cards, we got the Wonder mascara, which actually is pretty good. We got the little kitchen pot holder, which is very nice too. I don't know if I showed this, but you can put your hands inside here. So when you're picking up the pot, you can actually put your hand in there and pick it up, which that is a cool feature, and I like that. We got this very nice pleather wristlet, which has 2 compartments, so you got 2 zipper parts. You can take this off. You can use it inside a bag or as a bag itself. Wristlet. And then of course we got these beautiful dessert plates, and there was a set of 4, and like I said, for me this would probably just be a great gift for somebody, wedding present, and or like I said, a housewarming gift or something. And then the other thing that I got for the kitchen was this garlic press. So that was my 6 items. Do you have a favorite of what I got? Well, I did like the mascara, and I do think this little wristlet is nice. So what was your favorite? Like I was telling you, I think mine is going to be this little zipper bag. I actually like these note cards. As simple as they are, they're really nice. So you let me know what your favorites are, and be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways. And that's all I have for AllTrue, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.